Dear Love, sa tuwing magbubuk ng flight kasama ang jowa mo, dalawa ang mararamdaman mo. Una, ay ang excitement lalo na kung ang destinasyon na pupuntahan ay out of the country at first time niyong makakapunta dito. Pangalawa, ay pangamba dahil bayad na ang flight ticket plus hotel accommodation at nandoon ang anxiety level na magsasabi sa iyong paano kung mag-break kayo bago ang araw ng flight? Minsan naisip ko na sana hindi na lang inaabangan ang seat sale at bigla na lang magbubuk. Sana ang pagta-travel with your special someone ay yung tipong kinabukasan agad para hindi ka na mangamba kung matutuloy pa ba kayo o hindi. Isa ako sa nag-book ng flight pa Japan with special someone 6 months before the flight. And hulaan mo kung alin sa dalawa ang nangyari. Excitement or disappointment? Japan or we're done? Aishiteru or break na tayo? Hulaan mo. Well, tama ka. At iyon ang pangalawa. Kaya heto ako ngayon, papunta sa hotel na binook namin ng ex ko 6 months ago at wala ang kamalay-malay kung paano gumala mag-isa. Basta tumuloy ako dito dahil sayang din ang mga nagastos ko, di ba? And okay magliwaliw dito sa Japan. Oh, nakarating naman ako dito sa hotel.
Teka, saan nga yung lugar mo?
Nandito ako sa Shinjuku City. Mabuti na lang at malapit sa Tokyo Toy Museum. Excited na ako.
Tatagan mo loob mo dyan ha. Kapag nakakita ka ng couple, takpan mo na lang yung mga mata mo.
Ano ka ba? Wala na yan no. 4 months na kaming break. Kaya ko na to. Hindi na ako iiyak.
Sus, baka mamaya tatawag ka sa akin at sasabihin mong, Rain, siya pa rin talaga, miss ko na siya. Tigil-tigilan mo nga yung lalaking mo.
Hoy, promise, hindi. Gusto mo mag-open ako ng dating app dito para may makasama ako mag-travel eh.
Yan, magandang idea yan. Para naman hindi ka mabagot. Isama mo sa Toy Museum.
Ay nako Rain, huwag mo akong subukan na gagawin ko talaga.
Go! Single ka. You can do what you want. And nasa Japan ka naman. Mas madami kayong gwapo dyan kaysa sa ex mo, no?
Okay, sige. Eto na, magda-download na ako.
Go! Oo, sige bye na. Mag-iingat ka dyan. At, uy, mag-update ka sa akin
Sure, bye Rain! Dear Love, tama ka. Nag-download nga ako ng dating app at naghanap ako ng makakasama ko bukas sa Tokyo Toy Museum. May ilan namang nag-chat sa akin pero di ko type eh. Swipe left lang ako ng swipe left. Hanggang sa may nakita akong lalaking mukhang anime. Oo, kamukha niya si Sen Mitsuju. Kung curious ka sa face, isearch mo na ngayon. Dali. Sen Mitsuju. Nagdadalawang isip ako kung isa-swipe right ko ba ito. Kasi ang sabi niya, first time niya lang din daw dito sa Japan. Kaya gusto niya nang makakasama gumala. Kaya nga ako nag-download ng dating app para may tour guide na ako may bebe time pa, diba? Kaso kasi ang gwapo talaga. Saka why not, diba? Paano kung hindi naman niya talaga first time dito sa Japan since nakalagay din na half Japanese siya? Paano kung kunwari lang naghahanap siya ng mga kasama pero alam naman pala niya yung buong mapa ng Japan? Swipe right in 3, 2, 1. OMG! Matched! Harigato kamisama! Mapapa-thank you Lord ka talaga kasi naman nag-match! Ay! May chat! Siya agad una ang nag-chat!
Hi, I noticed that this is also your first time in Japan. I really want someone who knows about the place, but I think that this is more fun to get lost and wander here with someone who is also a first-time traveler.
Yes, I think that's a great idea too. By the way, I like your name. It's short and simple. Cal.
Yes, my name is Hebrew in origin. It means faithful, wholehearted, and brave.
I doubt. Brave. Since you're looking for someone to travel with in Japan, haha, just kidding.
Spot on. LOL. But I am brave enough to trust you even though you are a stranger, plus you also don't know the place. You're no killer. LOL.
LOL. I can show you my police clearance. I think between us, you have the capacity to kill because of your looks.
She's that was Reese. But you have to see me in person to verify my killer looks. Would you like to meet? And which city are you in?
I am at Shinjuku.
Oh, for real? What is the name of your hotel then?
Pearl Hotel.
What a coincidence! I'm staying here too. Can we meet now at the lobby?
Dear love, kumabog ang dibdib ko. Hindi ko alam kung excitement or tuwa dahil grabe lang magbiro yung tadhana. Pero hindi naman nga malabo kasi nga 'di ba? Lagi namang nearby yung makakamatch sa dating app. Pero yung tipong inayan niya agad ako makipagkita sa lobby, ay grabe yun. So syempre, magpapabebe pa ba ako? Nakipag-meet ako. Pagkababa ko sa lobby, nakita ko siya at napansin ko na ang ganda ng porma niya. At isa ito sa mga damit na designed ni Issei Miyake, na siya ding paborito kong Japanese clothing brand. Ang gwapo niya talaga!
Oh, hi Mina. Wow, you're also wearing Issei Miyake. You have a good taste.
Oh, Kyle, thanks. You too, right? That's also from Issei?
Nice to meet you. Let's have some coffee.
Sure. Dear love, dinala ako ni Kyle dito sa Dutor Coffee Shop. Malapit sa hotel, and kung sinaswerte nga naman ako, nilibre pa niya ako ng iced americano. Tapos bonus pa na ang gwapo ng kaharap ko.
So, why are you here in Japan?
I just want to explore Japan, and I really want to go to Tokyo Toy Museum and wander, explore their culture. How about you, Kyle?
Well, there's a tattoo studio in Shinjuku called Tattoo Studio LaRouche, and I want to get a tattoo on my left arm. There, yeah. I have done my research and it seems like they can create the design I have in my mind.
Can I see?
Here.
Is this a dog? I don't know. What creature is this?
Yeah, it's a Japanese fur dog. I have decided to get a tattoo on my left full sleeve. This tattoo symbolizes great courage, and I think it will take several hours for the tattoo artist to complete it. Since this is my first tattoo, I'm not sure how my skin will react or how long it will take to heal. I'm a bit nervous about the process, but yeah, excited to see the final result, yeah.
Once you get this tattoo, you'll have the courage to travel alone in Japan. It's really cool.
Yeah, yeah, I still want to travel with you. I think you are fun to be with because it's our first time here.
But you're half Japanese, right?
Yeah.
So you know how to speak Japanese?
Yes, a little like Romaji. Kanojo ni nate kuremasen ka?
What does it mean? Again? Kanojo ni kuru? Again?
I'll ask that again once I'm sure, but watashi wa anata ga daisuki desu.
O sige, ganyan pala ikaw. Intindihin mo ngayon tong Tagalog ko. Bahala ka dyan.
What? What's that? What language is that?
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. I won't talk to you in Japanese, okay? Well, you are also talking to me in your native language. Okay, we're even.
Minumura mo na ako, hindi ko pa alam. Ito buti na lang gwapo ka at nandilibre ka ng kape.
Mina, I promise, no Japanese for now. Let's now go to sleep. So we have energy for tomorrow.
Baliw talaga to. Nag-aya ng kapit. Love. Ang dami naming pinasyalan ni Cal ngayong araw. Nagpunta kami sa Tokyo Toy Museum, Fire Museum, at Kanemaru Inari Shrine. Gusto din naming pumunta ng Osaka. Pero mas priority talaga ni Cal ang magpatato, kaya nagpasya na lang ako na lang mag-isa bukas ang pupunta. Lagi pa rin nagja-Japanese out of the blue yung mokong na yun. Masayang kasama si Cal and okay ako sa kanya dahil magkaparehas kami ng humor. At thankful ako na kahit papaano ay hindi ako nakaramdam ng lungkot at takot habang nandito sa Shinjuku. I am proud of myself dahil nakapunta ako sa Osaka mag-isa. Pinuntahan ko ang Universal Studios, Osaka Aquarium Kaiyukan, Umeda Sky Building, and lastly, ang Tennoji Zoo. 3 araw ko din na hindi kasama si Cal dahil namamaga ang kanyang braso dahil sa tattoo. Pero masaya naman ako dahil nag-update siya sa akin at tumatawag siya para i-check kung okay pa ba ako. Bumalik na ako sa hotel ko sa Shinjuku para magpahinga dahil after 2 days ay flight ko na at inaya din ako ni Cal na kumain sa hotel.
Hey, how was your trip in Osaka? Did you have fun?
Of course, because you're not with me so it made me happier.
You are so mean to me.
What? I mean so much to you? I knew it!
I'm gonna miss you. Please answer my texts and call, okay?
I don't want to because you might just text me with Japanese characters.
I promise I won't. But are you not even curious on what does it mean?
Well, I am really curious. I am asking you that. The kanolo, kanoji, I forgot.
I always ask this to you, right? I am going to ask you one last time. Kanojo ni natte koremasen ka?
I'm sorry, Cal. Okay, please tell me what it means.
It means, will you be my girlfriend?
Oh, that's too fast for you to ask that.
But I really like you. Why would I be scared to ask? We get along so well. We have so much in common and we always laugh at each other's jokes. I don't think it's just a coincidence.
Are you for real or this is just because we like, say, miyake or we stayed in the same hotel?
Mina, I promise you, this is not the last time that we will see each other, okay? Next time, we will go to Shibuya, or if I have some time, I will visit you in your country.
I can't say yes yet, Cal, but I really enjoy your company and I want us to be friends first. We'll come back here again once your tattoo is healed, okay? I'm happy that we've shared a lot of moments here in Shinjuku and I'm excited to see you again. I'll answer your calls and texts as long as I'm not busy, okay?
I respect that. I look forward to seeing you again.
Me too.
Watashi wa anata ga daisuki desu, Mina.
Ay, akala mo papakabog ako. Na-research ko yan.
What?
Watashi mo anatagasuki, Cal.
I'm happy that we get along well. I'm really excited for you to be my girlfriend.
Learn to wait.
Of course, I'll wait for you, my soon-to-be
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan?
Love Radio.
Basic!